What is law? There is no exact, perfect, accurate, or concise definition of the term law because law is more to do with the perspective from which one looks at it. This perspective can differ from person to person. For example, for some, law could mean a set of rules that have been created and enforced through societal or governmental institutions to regulate one's behavior. While for others, law could mean an ethical standard that directs and guides one as to what should and shouldn't be done in the society. Thus, law can be pursued and understood in different ways and forms by different people based on the perspective from which they look at the term law. Law is an integral part of each and every one of us, and it is rightly said in Latin, ignorantia juris non excusat, meaning ignorance of law excuses no one. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe this channel to learn more about law.